Still waking up with flat, uncomfortable pillows? Watch as we fluff these old, tired pillows, then switch to the fresh, plush HUXMEYSON Pillows standard size. Set of 4. Instantly, the bed transforms into a cozy, hotel-inspired sanctuary with all 4 pillows perfectly arranged. Unboxing the HUXMEYSON Pillow Set reveals soft, luxurious fabric and expert stitching. Fluffing each pillow shows impressive loft and resilience. Whether you sleep on your side or back, these pillows provide the right balance of support and softness. Watch smooth transitions highlight how they maintain their shape while cradling your head comfortably. Filled with a premium down alternative, these pillows offer plush luxury without real down. Slow-motion shots capture their gentle compression and quick rebound, proving durability and comfort. The breathable fabric feels soft against the skin, perfect for a restful night. Designed for side and back sleepers, they keep you supported and cozy, just like a 5-star hotel experience. Waking up refreshed, bathed in natural morning light, shows the difference these pillows make. Ready to upgrade your sleep? Click the link in bio and bring home HUXMEYSON's premium comfort today. Your best night's sleep awaits.